Hello everybody, this is Matt, and today I want to talk to you about using Prefix with your logs. Now, by default, Prefix will automatically pick up any trace.writeLine and debug.writeLine statements. You can disable that in the settings if you're doing a whole lot of debugging and it's causing a huge amount of information to show up in Prefix. Now, Prefix can also work with log4net and inlog logs, but you have to install our appender to enable that. So I'm going to show you how easy that is to do. So right now, you can see on this request, we've got a couple tracing statements that are showing up here. And if you look at the code, you can see there's a trace.writeLine here and here, but there's also a couple logging statements that are not showing up that are from log4net. So what I'm going to do is pop open the package manager and do an install package stackbylib.log4net, and that will install our logging appender. The logging appender is safe to deploy with your app if it gets deployed somewhere, because it won't necessarily do anything. If you are using Stackify's other products, if you include the API key, it will send your logs to Stackify, but if you leave the API key out, it won't do anything. So I have installed the new appender, and let me do a rebuild here, and we'll make sure everything's working. So there's a page that I have set up here to auto-refresh every couple seconds. Then I've done a build. It'll take just a few seconds to rebuild, and we'll see if it works. So let me go down here now. Now we can see our log statements that are coming from log4net and from trace.writeLine. Just like that, that's all you had to do. The change that was made is a simple change to your web config file that adds a new appender. You do not have to specify an API key if you're not using Stackify's other products. If you're only using Prefix, all you have to do is include this appender that gets set in here by the NuGet package. If you're using an external log4net file that's in a log4net.xml file or doing something similar with nlog, you can just move this appender over to there as well, and it'll work just fine. Prefix makes an awesome log viewer, and we definitely recommend that you get your logs flowing into it. And please enjoy Prefix and enjoy using it as the world's best log viewer. Thank you.